This is a damage, and all this can be repaired as less as in 30 minutes with hot water or so we're working on Ford Escape. It's a newer model. Let's open the tailgate and I remove these two cups. I use this little tool. You can use a screwdriver. Remove these two and remove two screws. Then you have to remove this bulb and you push it this way, going like this. Make sure it doesn't fall outside. So if you need to change the light bulb, you can do it. In our case, we are freeing up our frame. Push pin to disconnect the connector. We need to lose all the bolts underneath, so we remove two screws from this fender cover, and we will remove two of these bolts as well. So this is a completely plastic sort of, but it's under pressure. You don't want to break this, so that's we're gonna heat it up. And this is a free too, so we don't want to break this as well. So I want to see what's inside making this damage by removing this piece. We lose two screws here, and we'll keep losing that. So to straighten up, we use either this one, but this puller will only work on a flat surface like this. In our case is too bent, so we're going to use a small piece like that, sort of plunger. You go like this, and see you got lots of grip to work on. And you heat it up and pull this back. There's another small tools, but that's the simples. So we're gonna hit this area and pull this back. So what I try to do, try to see what else bent underneath of this, because it looks like this is a hard impact here. Basically, if you heat this up with either we're going to use this heater gun, you can use the home head fan, or just pour hot water over top of this bucket of hot water. You'll heat this area up and you can pull this stuff back. Actually, a very simple way just to pull simply out. But what I want to do, I want to do better quality job, but this doesn't want to spend much time because customer doesn't pay as much. See, this is bent out. As soon as this go outside, this will go inside. As you heat this up, you can see there's a right away plastics get flexible and straighten up immediately. So I just double check there's nothing holding on the bottom, so I have to heat all this little by little and pull it back. You can use hot water definitely, but I don't want to make so much mess. We'll just use my heat gun. It's already so flexible. Straighten up, as you can see, go right away. Okay, it's hard to do. I should have just used it. go. So you can see it's formed back. We gotta heat everything even. Heat everything so to lose the pressure. And now I will heat the bottom part. You can see how big is the gap. And yes, I did remove the sliding from under, cruel underneath. So just going down and do good. So we're gonna heat everything up and push it back. You can also crawl underneath the car and see what other parts need to be heat. In our case, I have some rigid components inside, so I'm heat them up on the back as well. You might just have a simple bumper piece that can be heat up, but I'm heating up everywhere. Nice and even. I have enough time. As you make it warm, parts start moving outside. See that? I need a couple of hands, but put on pause it. There's a little hole over here from somewhere. Okay, after prying with my hand back and forth, we've got this condition to where that should be. I will going to put my bolts back over here, and this will be nice and straight. So there's only one thing in it, is there. This is all done. And usually this is go back in. I would suggest to hit up this area first. Very well. We soften this to release a pressure. While I'm doing this, most of that's really going back into our original place. Okay, let's see. Everything's locked up into the place. And now I have to place this screws back to hold this trim. We'll push this back. I will tie these two bolts. Again, you do this while you're pushing it, and when you release the feet, everything is in place. Now we will snap back in accessories. This is probably existing hole I haven't seen before. Let's see what another side look like. On another side, this is go flush. Yeah, it's pretty much the way it's supposed to be. Okay, we'll put lights back. looks great. I'm glad myself. A little notch over here, but overall it's perfect. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.